Mark mentioned that we're recapturing a new market, and that's absolutely true because we're going to help you identify a bigger market for an anti-stress supplement, right? The idea here is that your body, under normal or optimal circumstances, can absolutely bob and weave. It can manage the stress that comes at you on a daily basis, but most of us aren't living in a optimal stress-free environment, right? Where we only have minor stressors or occasional stressors. In fact, your world is coming at you 270 miles an hour. I maintain that if it's not you, it's definitely your customers that are eating, standing up, rushing to get their kids to school or to after-school activities. Right? We're running, building our businesses at night. Follow up, right? So I have to ask you, the big or important question is there even an idea there, or is there even a concept that there is a healthy environment when there is prolonged and chronic or consistent stress? I have to ask you, how is that working out for you, right? Because it's when you color it like that that you say, what does my daily activity look like? Do I need an anti-stress formula? Do I need some of that balance that Mark is talking about? That support of mental stamina, focus, right? Drive? Could I use more of that? Well, ask yourself what your day-to-day activity looks like and how the world is coming at you to make a decision for you and your customers about the benefits of anti-stress formula, like we put in Bliss. Because it's your nervous system that regulates all the other tissues. The issue is in your tissue, and we want to make sure that you have the healthiest tissues, the healthiest balance, so that you can overcome environmental stress. Because when your world comes at you like this, it ultimately leads to immune stress or decline. That leads to physical well-being decline. Ultimately, we start to see chronic issues. In fact, people have been misidentifying how to use this product properly simply because they wait until there are mental emotional symptoms before they consider using the product. I need you to know that the stressors impact you physically before they impact you mentally. So don't wait until you feel horizontal to start thinking about what you're going to do to stay healthy and vertical, right? Now, if for every one of you that thought Bliss was a chick's supplement, for every one of you that thought that Bliss was just for people that were overwhelmed or overweight, I'd like to talk to you about something that's important to all of us. Let's talk about sex. Because when one hormone goes up, another hormone has to go down. It's true for glucose and insulin. It's true for leptin and ghrelin. Well, it's true for cortisol and your sex hormones too. When cortisol goes up, progesterone and testosterone go down. So we want to focus on botanicals that help support our adrenals, help support that stress response, so that we can support a healthy metabolism and that we don't have to see depletion of our sex and stamina hormones. That's the benefit of the anti-stress product with Bliss. That's the benefit of keeping us on even keel. So whether you need to have a quick response, bob and weave, or you've simply been dealing with this for a while, you want to make sure that you have nervine and adaptogenic botanicals that keep you feeling like you can handle it all. Whether it's physical stress, whether it's immune stress, or it's mental well-being, I want you to think about how you're going to hack into your happy chemicals and you're going to balance your stress chemicals. You're going to do this by using the adaptogenic, botanical, and anti-stress herbs that we put in Bliss Anti-Stress. The idea here is to help your body adapt to stress, physically and emotionally. Promote relaxation, right? So that you don't have a hair-like trigger without making you feel sleepy. We want to stabilize and enhance healthy mood, help maintain that mental stamina and that that mental or cognitive drive that each one of us are looking at, because we live in a world that, like I said, comes at you 270 miles per hour. Are you prepared to meet that momentum? That's why we put the product together the way we did.
Give it up for Dr. Mason, ladies and gentlemen.